This is a video that demonstrates how to create a private account for yourself on GitHub outside of Seneca organization for your lifetime usage. First thing you need to do on a browser, go to github.com, click on sign up. After that, enter your own private email, not your Seneca email, and create your account with that. So in this case, I'm creating it on a dummy email of mine that I created just for this purpose. And I choose a password, choose a username. I'm going to call it demo Fardad or whatever. Okay, and then click on continue to go to the next step. It's going to verify to see if everything has, make sure it's going to make sure that you're not a robot. So you have to fix a puzzle, do a puzzle. The puzzle is solved. Now it's going to send me a code to the email that I passed. So I'm going to go to my email and find out what is the code and enter it over here. Here's the code that I have received from GitHub. So you receive something like this in here, as you see. So I'm going to enter this code over here. And I'll continue. So demo at fardad.com. And then I'm going to put the password here and sign in.